Here I have WIKO Highway Signs, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. First of all, let's start by opening the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be, for example, a calendar. And let's just simply assume they want to save the following screen. So I have to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for about 2 seconds. And as you can see, you just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down power key and volume down simultaneously for about 2 seconds. And as you can see, you just capture a screenshot. So that's it. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you can use a screenshot folder. You can find this by using an upper bar and tapping screenshot captured, or you can also find it by using a home screen, tapping apps icon, and let's choose gallery. Here under albums you've got screenshot, you can tap it, choose your screenshot, and now you can share, edit or delete taken screenshots. So that's it, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.